Understanding a stock market crash. Hello and welcome once again to yet another episode of BSC's Investor Education Awareness Series. I'm Siddharth Zarabi and I'm going to talk to you today about the significance of a stock market crash and what it means for you as an investor. A stock market crash takes place when the stock index drastically falls down over a day or two of trading. As an investor, you would know that market volatility is a given in the stock market. The cost of equities and broader indices fall and rise in the market. These can cause fluctuations that stay for a short term and even for a long time sometimes. But specifically, a stock market crash takes place when there is a rapid double-digit decline in share prices. How and why does a crash occur? This is usually seen when the economy is overheated, inflation is on the uptrend, and market speculation is very high. Given all these factors and the intense uncertainty on where the economy is headed, a stock market crash usually starts off slowly and then ends disastrously when a large number of investors are hurriedly looking to quit or exit their trades. Typically, a stock market crash can cause a recession. So what can you do during and after a stock market crash? Well, what you need to do is to go to your investment portfolio, find out if it is overweight and has risky stocks. You must research good stocks and adjust your portfolio accordingly. You must spread your risk by ensuring that the portfolio is diversified. You can also buy the right stocks when others are selling. Most importantly, remember to stay calm, as a bear market can fade off quickly while a bull market can stay for a longer time. And before I end, here's a word of advice from an expert investor. Take a look here.
Stock markets crash because suddenly there is some bad news. Whether it is, we've had big crashes, every so often, every so many years, we have a big crash. The crash could be because of, let's say, a political event or a business event, or there's a variety of reasons why suddenly people get scared and want to get out of the market. Now, the thing is, when you're faced with the crash, the point is, when do you get to know about the crash? Are you the first person to know, so you will get it on the way down? Or are you the last person to know, so you get it you find out about it when it's at the absolute low? So it's very, very difficult to do. But when markets go low, you have to actually see which are the fallen angels which are worth buying. And whether you buy the same day or you buy after a few days, it doesn't matter. But you should be looking at the stock market and looking for fallen angels where, because of liquidity, because of the reason why this news came and this event happened and therefore the market crashed, therefore these shares have come on the market. Again, if it's an economic crash, then you have to look at what is the policy that has been brought in, or what is the event that has happened, and then say, okay, these are the companies that are going to survive this. And once you survive it, then those are the companies to be bought. If the more uncertainty there is, the more difficult it is to make that decision. But the answer is to try and take out as much uncertainty out of this whole decision-making process. Be cool-headed, and this is a time to invest and buy fresh and stuff that you have not seen for maybe 1 or 2 years. And this is the time to maybe look at it and take a shot at it.